Okay, so this was about this was about the recursive function call using stack to solve the Tower of Hanoi. Now I will show you the demo. We will see the demo is simple only. You will just get it anyway. Let me just show you using our online editor. This was just a YouTube video so that you people. Control V. Yes, but I don't think Conio.h it will support. This compiler is throwing errors, so I'll remove that.
I mean, I haven't shared the screen, ma'am.
Oh, you are not okay. I'll reshare. Already it was shared, but I don't think you are able to see. Fine. Now I'll remove this
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
get ch because it is not been supporting. Let me modify the code. So this is the code. Very simple, very small code. If you see Tower of Hanoi, this much only. Compared to other, usually students, what they will do, you people will check the number of lines. Based on that, you will feel whether it is easy or tough. Many of you may be thinking like you have a stacks implementation, queue implementation, very lengthy program. Yes, I do agree that, but it is not difficult program. Why it became lengthy is everything is a menu driven program. So void main case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, like that you are going on adding, and each case you are calling break functions, function defining push function, pop function, display function. So like that it became lengthy, but each function you break and analyze it and study. Then it will be easy. Okay. So, but here if you see Tower of Hanoi code, number of lines is very less, but when you are analyzing, you might have seen just now how I have analyzed, it is little tricky. Because each time, see three times we are calling the same function iteratively, and how many moves. If you are taking number of disks as 5 or 7, it will take more number of recursion and more number of steps will be moves will be given. Okay. Now I will run the program. Okay. Let me run the program now. It's compiling. Just output will be move disk from move. Enter first you have to enter the number of disks. Let us give the same 3 disks and we'll check whether whatever moves we have analyzed we are getting or not. Now you can see here it is asking me, please enter the number of disks you want to play with. As per our printf statement, it's printing. I will give here 3. It's not taking input. Let me run it again. Why strength is going on decreasing participants? Half of you people might have gone into sleep mode. Yes or no?
No,
After
ma'am.
lunch, that to Tower of Hanoi, I'm explaining. No, I don't know why this happens. 1 minute, let me stop it completely and run. Sometimes this GCB is not helping us. It's okay, leave. Maybe because I was trying to switch on that video, Tower of Hanoi video. That's why I think I was getting disconnected in between. Otherwise it was showing, right? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Online. See, compile it. GD. This meeting will end in 10 minutes. It's showing. You can join again. Are you seeing the screen? It is saying you have paused. Resume sheets.
Yes, ma'am. We can see that.
Yes, ma'am.
Editor, you are seeing, right?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am,
was
some
important.
lost connection to server.
No. I came out and I'm doing it again. Okay, I'll reshare the screen. Where is the program? Control C. Are you people liking this virtual lab, sir?
Ma'am?
Are you okay with this kind of lab, online labs, explanation? For you, work is less now.
Ma'am, but still, ma'am,
But it's
understanding is not
interesting if we
See?
sit in class, ma'am.
Yes, that is their understanding. It's very difficult, but no need to type, no need to write, cut, copy, paste. Few of you are thinking
ma'am,
in
but
that
still at
way.
the end of the day.
End
But
of the
we
day, you
learn,
have to
ma'am.
do. You have to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll be the ones who suffer.
That is
Writing
what
was
I am
better,
telling.
ma'am.
That is what I am telling. When you write, you will get a practice. When you type and execute, you will practice. When you are getting errors, you are correcting it, right? Then you will understand what is that error. Suddenly, first time when you are writing and executing during exam, then you will be stuck there itself. When you are practicing in lab, you will know which line, how to correct it and all. That's why don't do this online editor, do in Turbo C or in Linux or anything is okay, but type the program and see. Why this online editor is not at all supporting today. Anyway, you practice this, ma. If you give 3, we will see. Actually, morning once I gave, I checked whether it is coming properly. It gave all the moves, A to C, A to B, likewise, whatever it is, step 1 to 7. All moves will be listed out. I thought I'll show you once, but this is not happening. Without wasting time, last time we will try and proceed with our queues implementation. Okay, so we will see it later. So this time is showing very less. Join back. I am ending the session. Join back so that we'll continue that queue.
Okay, ma'am.